Hi, friends. Today we're going to read a book called My K Soundbox by Jane Belk Moncure, illustrated by Rebecca Thornburgh. Let's get started, friends. My K Soundbox. Little K had a box. I will find things to go in my box that begin with my K sound, he said. I will put them into my sound box. But first, I will be a king. So he dressed up like a king. He put his crown on and his robe. Let's see what happens next. Then little K went for a walk. He found a koala. Koala starts with K. Koala. Did he put the koala in his box? Koala. I think he did. Yes, he did. Look, he's putting his koala into his box. Next, little K found king birds. Let's see, 1, 2 king birds. Did he put king birds into his box? He did, because it starts with K, king birds. Little K found a kitten. Oh, it's a cute little kitten. Kitty, kitty, he called. Oh, is the kitty running away from him? I think so. Is he going to catch him? Let's find out. Lots and lots of kittens came from everywhere. Oh my goodness, there's so many kittens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 kittens. Little K tried to put the kittens into the box, but the kingbirds did not like it. Kittens start with K, koala starts with K, and kingbirds start with K. Why do you think the birds didn't like the kittens? I think they might hurt them. That might be why. Do you know why? What could little K do? He found a kangaroo. Kangaroo starts with K. Did he put kangaroo in the box? Let's see. The kangaroo had a big pocket right here on his pouch. Do you think he put the kittens in his pouch? Little K put the kittens into the pocket. Here's all the kittens in the pocket. A king can do anything, said little K. So he played the kettle drum, then he put it into the box. Next, he looked through a kaleidoscope. Here is what he saw. What did he see in the kaleidoscope? Koala, kittens, kingbirds. He saw all the things that start with K. He put the kaleidoscope into the box too. Then little K found, what did he find? He found some kites. Lots and lots of kites. I will fly a kite, he said, but the wind blew the kite away. Oh no! The kingbirds flew after the kite. The kittens kicked the kangaroo. Uh-oh. The kangaroo sneezed, kerchoo, and blew everything into a kindergarten classroom. My, what fun the kids had. They got a koala and a kitten. They had so much fun, and kingbirds. They had a lot of fun with the K animals. Little K's word list. So let's see the words that start with K. Kaleidoscope, kids, kite, kangaroo, kindergarten, kittens, kettle drum, king, king bird, and koala. There's so many words that start with K. Good job, my friends.